you may notice several changes after reaching 40 years of age. Slower metabolism, fatigue, muscle stiffness, memory lapses, and even changes in mood or sleep quality are some of the signs your body and brain are going through. But do you know how important it is to focus on the vital nutrients that protect your nervous system as you age? Yes, vitamins are a must because many of your brain's vital function depend on them. Okay, let me make it clearer to you. If your body lacks vitamin D, you may experience low mood, fatigue, and even a high risk of neurological and cognitive decline. And if you are deficient in vitamin B12, you may experience numbness, tingling, poor balance, and memory problems. But do you know a deficiency of certain vitamins can actually increase your risk of neurodegenerative disorders like Parkinson's disease? Well, in today's video, I will share with you the 3 best vitamins you must take after 40 to help protect your brain and lower your risk of Parkinson's disease. So stay tuned till the end, and if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us. Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash from Bharat Homeopathy. I have extensive clinical knowledge and experience in treating neurological conditions with natural and holistic treatment. So now let's move on to our topic. If you are 40 or above, the first very important vitamin to focus on is vitamin D. It is not just about bones, but it plays a key role in neurological health. Research shows that people with low vitamin D levels have a high risk of developing Parkinson's disease. But do you know the reason why low vitamin D can lead to such a condition? Because vitamin D helps regulate brain cell growth, reduce inflammation in the nervous system, and protects dopamine producing neurons, the very cells that damage in Parkinson's. Now, let's come on to the optimal level of vitamin D in your blood. The optimal blood level of vitamin D should be around 30 or 75. But be cautious. High level of vitamin D, such as above 50 nanogram per ml, may have side effects. Now, the question is, how can you meet the daily requirement of vitamin D with natural foods? You should spend time in sunlight or include food like fortified cereals, fortified plant-based milk, mushroom, and low-fat dairy in your diet. For better absorption and protection against calcium buildup in the arteries, vitamin D should be ideally combined with magnesium and vitamin K2. The second powerful vitamin for protecting your brain after 40 is vitamin E. It is a strong antioxidant that protects brain cells from oxidative stress, which is one of the major factors in progression of Parkinson's disease. Oxidative stress damages neurons, especially those in substantia nigra that produces dopamine. Some studies suggest that vitamin E may help slow the progression of neurodegeneration and reduce the risk of developing Parkinson's in people with higher dietary intake. Now, how much should you take? So, the recommended daily intake of vitamin E is 15 mg. You can get this from food like avocados, almonds, sunflower seeds, red bell peppers, kiwis, and wheat germ oil. The third essential vitamin group is the B vitamin, especially vitamin B6, folate, B9, and vitamin B12. But B vitamins are so important for your brain. So the answer is high level of an amino acid called homocysteine can damage brain cells, increase oxidative stress, and accelerate neuron loss. These B vitamins work together to lower homocysteine levels, protecting the brain against inflammation and cell death. Low level of vitamin B12 and folate have also been linked to memory decline, mood disorders, nerve damage, and an increased risk of Parkinson's. These vitamins also support red blood cell production, improve energy metabolism, and keep your nervous system functioning smoothly. Now, What foods you need to consume to meet the requirements of B vitamins. You can consume leafy greens, chickpeas, low-fat milk, fortified cereals, beans and lentils. Supplements may be needed, especially if you follow a vegan or vegetarian diet, since vitamin B12 is mainly found in animal products. Alright, so these are the best super vitamins to improve neurological health and prevent Parkinson's. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related, informative and interesting videos. Thanks.